Every scroll, every click, every like, it all tells a story. In today's world, our lives are connected through screens. And behind every ad, post, or campaign, there's one powerful force: digital marketing. Digital marketing isn't just about selling. It's about connecting people, creating value, and turning simple ideas into global conversations. It's how small startups reach millions and how big brands stay close to their audience. It combines strategy, creativity, and data, all working together. Social media marketing keeps your brand visible and relatable. SEO ensures your business appears when people search for what you offer. Email campaigns build lasting relationships with customers. Content marketing tells your story in a meaningful way. And every click teaches us something, helping brands grow smarter. In a world that never sleeps, businesses can't just rely on traditional methods anymore. Digital marketing helps you understand your audience, what they love, what they need, and when they're ready to act. It's measurable, affordable, and incredibly powerful. From a single post that goes viral to an ad that reaches across continents, digital marketing turns vision into visibility. Think about it. Every successful brand you know uses digital marketing. From influencer partnerships to personalized ads, the online world has changed how we do business. And the best part? Anyone with a message and creativity can start right now. The future belongs to those who adapt, connect, and create. So whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, or a dreamer, digital marketing gives you the power to make your voice heard. Start exploring, start creating, because your story deserves to shine in the digital world.